today I came fishing again. Right now it's raining, so I need to wear the raincoat. And today I used the fish food to lure the fish. Smells very great as well. I really want to eat it. Smells great. And oh my god, just a fish. Okay, so let's get started. And Papa, pass me the net. Right over here, and wait for a second. I would just go down to the town. Just going to go down. Oh man, seriously. Papa, the net. I talk about that. Check on this net. Please get something good. Oh, we got fish! Yes! Like and subscribe! We got fish! Like and subscribe! Woohoo! Like and subscribe. Take the fishy dish. We got fishy. We got fish.
We can make the second throw.
So guys, since I got some fish. Look, I got some fish, but they're like, help! I want to get out. Let's make them near the ocean. So I mean, like the pond. Oh shit! It's raining. Bruh. So now what? And the rod is over there. Oh man. Bruh. I put my fishing rod again, and I need to cover my head because it's raining. It's raining super hard. Bruh. Come on. Let's go. Come on, bro. Pull it back. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Finally! Wait. Bro! Look at that thing. Daddy. Say hi to your family. It's like, hi. Hi. Good thing you joined us or we're dead. It says. Oh my gosh. Pass, pass, pass. Got step on the gas, to not to fly. Got step on the gas, 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 gas. Got step on the pass, not to fly. Got step on the pass. Breath, 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 breath. Got step on the breath, not to breath. Got step on the breath. Oh, they're going back home. He's going back. Oh, seriously, he's hitting the camera. I'm gonna end this.